When the whole world is grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic, the picturesque Lakshadweep Islands has an entirely different story to tell. Coordinated, timely efforts by various departments and organizations has kept at bay the COVID-19 pandemic from entering the islands. Here's a ground report.
COVID-19 ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് തന്നെ ലക്ഷദ്വീപിലെ മെയിൻലാൻഡിലുള്ള എല്ലാ ദ്വീപുകാരെയും നമ്മുടെ കപ്പലുകളിൽ അതാത് ദ്വീപുകളിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചു. അതിനുശേഷം കപ്പലുകൾക്കും ഇൻട്രൈലൻഡ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് മെയിൻലാൻഡും ഐലൻഡുമായിട്ടുള്ള മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്സും നമ്മൾ വളരെ റെസ്ട്രിക്ഷൻസ് ഏർപ്പെടുത്തി.
When it was occurred and the WHO declared it as a pandemic, we started our groundwork to prevent the entry of the virus. We have made all the additional infrastructure, health infrastructure for preparing the occurrence of, or rather what you call, deal with the so-called virus. We have started all our efforts to contain and to prevent the entry of COVID virus. Even before becoming this so-called COVID as a big issue in India and Kerala, we stopped our entry of domestic tourism as well as the international tourism immediately. Now, all other passengers who are coming from Lakshadweep, who are coming from Cochin or other sports to Lakshadweep are being vigorously screened in Cochin and other entry points with our dedicated. A pakka SOP has been made, a foolproof SOP has been made for screening, and accordingly everyone and each of the passengers has been caught from there. They screened, then only permitted to entry.
Spread of rumors were curtailed and social media platforms were effectively used in spreading the correct facts and true news to the public.
Life is proceeding normally in the islands with officers working with full attendance.
On receipt of directions from the Government of India, we have taken delivery from the FCI godown, Andhrod, in the Union Territory of Lakshadweep, rice for distribution under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, and we have distributed 5 kg rice per ration card to the NFSA category.
Even we brought a COVID whisk for easing the sample collection, so which is an innovation. And that's once that sample is collected, which has been sent through helicopter available in all precautions and with all taking all cares to avoid contamination and prevention of and transmission of this so-called COVID virus. So similarly, for the till date, our people and definitely our administration, Lakshadweep administration, has taken a lot of pain and a lot of innovations and a lot of effective strategies to contain this virus so far to us.
കേന്ദ്രീയ ഏജൻസികളായ നാഫഡ്, കേന്ദ്രീയ ബഡാർ, മറ്റ് തരത്തിലുള്ള ഏജൻസികളുമായി ലിങ്കാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ എല്ലാ സാധനങ്ങളും ദ്വീപിലോട്ട് എത്തിക്കാൻ സമയം കഴിയുമെന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഡെയിലി ഈ സംഗതികളുമായിട്ട് എല്ലാ ദ്വീപിലുള്ള എസൻഷ്യൽ കമ്മോഡിറ്റി സാധനങ്ങൾ, നിത്യോപയോഗ സാധനങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു റിപ്പോർട്ടുകൾ ഡെയിലി ഇതാക്കുകയും ഓണറബിൾ അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേറ്റർ അതിനെ തന്നെ മോണിറ്റർ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഇതിൽ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ സന്തോഷം.
But we are not the apprehension or the stress is not even away from our Lakshadweep people, because since the case load is increasing day by day to nearby Kerala, which is very close to us, and the people used to come here. So anytime we are expecting the thing, but still even the containment strategy and the preventive measures and screening and quarantine and isolation has been almost carrying out in a double way or much more strengthy way. It is still going on. The police department and the revenue department, including along with the health department, has taken all efforts to prevent the entry of this virus to the Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep administration is not sitting idle on its achievements, nor has it taken a complacent attitude, but maintaining a constant vigil. The teamwork, grit, and determination put in by the various departments is indeed a model for others to emulate.